Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Install Google Maps from the App Store and update to the latest version. Check that your iPhone runs the supported iOS release for Carplay. Connect your iPhone to Carplay using a USB cable or wireless pairing method. Unlock your iPhone and allow Carplay when prompted to display compatible apps. If Google Maps does not appear, open Settings, tap General, then Carplay to customize your app layout. Drag Google Maps into the Carplay home screen to make it accessible in your vehicle. Open Google Maps on the Carplay screen and tap the search field. Type an address, a place name, or select a recent location from the list. You can also say your destination using Siri while holding the voice button on the wheel. After selecting the destination, confirm the route options and tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation. Follow voice-guided instructions and lane guidance on the Carplay display. Use the Carplay interface to zoom, change route, or see estimated arrival time while driving safely. Use voice commands to ask for alternate routes, traffic updates, or ETA. Press the steering wheel voice button and say commands naturally for hands-free control. Enable live traffic within Google Maps to receive real-time congestion and suggested detours before and during your trip. If traffic worsens, allow Google Maps to propose an alternate route and tap the suggested route to accept it. Tap the three dots menu to choose routes, avoid tolls, or change the route type for faster travel. Always keep attention on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.